Hello there, welcome back to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we are going to design this simple part in Solidworks 2018, and this is a very simple part, and we are going to use some basic commands such as extrude, cut in order to create this part, and I am going to use this 2D drawing in order to create this part. And if you want this 2D drawing, you can visit our website, or I have provided the link in the description box to download it. So first phase will be the drawing reading phase. So let's go through the drawing. This is the bottom view of the part. All these dimensions are in millimeters. This is the front view of the part, and this is the section view of our part along this axis AA. Means if we cut our part from this axis towards this direction, then we will get this type of cross section at the center. We have to look from this direction. Let me show you. If we look from this direction, then we will get this type of cross section. So first I will create this portion here, this one, and its dimensions are 80 mm dia and 80 mm thickness. So first I will create a circle of 80 mm dia of 80 mm thickness, and you can see here it is open at one end and it is closed at other end, and its thickness is 10 mm. Then I will create this profile with this flange. For that I will create this center profile and create this 50 mm of circle using a reference plane at any of the two ends, and I will use flip command feature to create this one. Then I will create this flange and these remaining portions and this base. So before getting started, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let me exit this sketch. Go to file, select here new. Now let me choose here plain white. Now go to sketch, select front plane, normal to, and sketch. Go to select circle command, select this origin, and you can see here a dialog box is open in which dimensions are showing. This saves a lot of time and it is called as dynamic input. If you want to activate it, all you have to do, right click on the screen and click here sketch numeric input. Now I have turned off so I am not getting this dialog box. Now I have to, if I have to turn on, I will select here sketch numeric input. Now select circle command and snap this origin. Now enter the value 80 mm like this. It saves a lot of time. Now go to features, select here extrude boss base and enter the value of 80 mm and select here mid plane. Click here OK. Now I will select this front plane again and normal to and sketch. Now I will select line command and create a line, horizontal line like this. I am creating the center profile. Now I will move my cursor back and towards this end point, and I have to provide the direction of the arc, like back and towards. Now direction I want like this. You have to move your cursor in the direction which you want, like this. Now I will create one vertical line. Now select this line, control select this arc and make them tangent like this. Now I have to assign some dimensions, like here from here to this it is 180 mm, go to smart dimension, select this point, and this dimension is 180 mm, and from here to center it is 100 mm. Go to smart dimension, select this end point, select this origin, this distance is 100 mm. Now let's just talk about the height. It is 70 mm. From this origin to this top side it is 70 mm. Select this end point and this side, this distance is 70 mm. Sorry, let me make it 60 so that I can create a flange above this. Now arc dimension, its radius is 60 mm. Select this arc, radius is 60 mm. Sorry, there is need not to create this line. So I will delete this line like this. Go to smart dimension, select this point and this point. This dimension is 180 mm and add one relation. Select this center point and select these 2 points, control select this point and make them horizontal like this. Now exit this sketch. Now we'll create one reference plane. So go to features, select here plane, select this end point and select this sketch. Click here OK. Now normal to, now sketch. I will sketch on this end point of the plane of dia 50 mm. I will create this circle from here to here. It is 50 mm. So I will create a circle of 50 mm dia. Then I will use swept boss base to create whole profile. So snap this point, enter the value of 50 mm like this. You can see. Now I will use here swept boss base. Our profile is this and path is this. Click here OK. I will hide this plane like this. Now I will create this base. For base dimensions, I will create one reference plane which is at the 100 mm from the center. This top plane. Go to reference plane, select this top plane and enter the value of 100 mm. Flip offset. Because our base is 100 mm away from this top mid of this circular portion. Now select this plane, number 2, again flip normal, sketch. Now we'll create here 2 circles of dia can be calculated from this drawing. This bottom view, you can see outer dia is 100 mm and the inner or above cylindrical portion of this plate is 60 mm. So we have to create 2 circles of dia 100 mm and 60 mm. So I will select this origin point and create a 100 mm dia circle. Again select this origin point and create 60 mm dia circle. Now go to feature, select here extrude boss base and expand this selected contours. I will create these two profiles with the help of only these two sketches which I have just created. So I will select here this time only this outer one circle, and thickness or height will be here, you can see 10 mm. Enter the value of 10 mm like this. Now expand this and make this sketch visible. Now again go to extrude boss base, this time select this sketch. Now select here surface. I want to extrude this sketch from this surface, not from the sketch below the surface. Now I want this sketch up to this surface. Select this surface, you can see it is showing the preview. Click here OK. Now I will hide this sketch and this plane which I have just created like this. Now it's time to create some cutouts. No, I will first create this profile, flange profile. For that I will select this face and normal to and sketch. Now select your circle command, snap the center and create first circle of dia 40 mm and 60 mm. Here 60 mm dia circle. Now make these two circles concentric like this. Now it is fully defined. Now create one horizontal line like this. Now create two concentric circles of dia 15 and 13 at the end point. Enter the value of 15 mm and again select this point, enter the value of 30 mm. And the distance from the center to these centers is 50 mm. Select this center point and this center point. This is 50 mm. Now I will create I have to create tangent to these two circles. Select line command and create line like this. You can see here tangent symbols. Again same here, select line command, select this circumference and this one. Now these are tangent. Now I will create one horizontal line and mirror this profile. Make it a construction line. Now go to mirror command, select these profiles. Sorry, let me trim this section. Now I will use mirror entities. Select these sketches like this. Now mirror axis will be this one like this. Now select your trim command, trim this portion, and this portion. Like this. Now select here extrude boss base and extrude thickness will be here 10 mm. It is shown. Enter the value of 10 mm and direction will be upward from this surface. Click here OK. Like this. Now select this face, normal to and sketch. Now I will create this offset cylinder. At the back, direction will be below the surface because I have taken into account this 180 dimension. So the dia would be 60 mm. Snap this point, enter the value of 60 mm. Okay. Now go to features, select extrude boss base. Direction will be towards this and distance will be 20 mm. Like this. Click here OK. Now I will use this swept profile path. I will select this front plane, normal to, and sketch. Now expand this swept one feature and select from here this sketch number 2, which is path, swept path. Make it visible. Now go to convert entity, select this profile and this profile, click here OK. Now select here line command and select this point and create a vertical line like this. Now we can hide it like this. Now I have to create 140 mm dia circle at any of the end. Select this face, normal to, and let me exit this sketch. Select this face and sketch. Now select here circle command and dia will be 40 mm. Go to circle command. Enter the value of 40 mm like this. Now go to swept. Let me exit this sketch. Now go to here, swept cut. Our profile will be this and path will be this sketch. Click here OK. You can see. Now select this face, normal to, and sketch. Now I have to make this hollow, but it is open from one side and close at the other side to a thickness of 10 mm. So its dia is 60 mm. So I will create one circle of 60 mm dia. Select the circle command, snap this origin and enter the value of 60 mm. Now whole distance is 80 mm and this thickness is 10 mm. So our cut height or distance will be 70 mm from this surface. Select here extrude cut, enter the value of 70 mm. Click here OK, like this. You can see we got the profile. Now I will create some cutouts. Now first I will create this contour. You can see here. For that, select this face, normal to, and sketch. Now I will create one center line up to here. Now you can see here this dotted circle will be the center, or you can see the center of this circle will lie on this 100 mm dia circle. So from center to this center it will be 50 mm. Let me delete this coincident relationship and expand up to here, and from here to here this will be 50 mm. Now go to circle command, create two circles of dia 10 and 20 mm. First one will be the 20 mm dia. Now other one will be the 10 mm like this. Now select here line command and create line like this. Again select line command like this. sorry, let me select this and make it tangent. Now let me adjust some settings. I will select this circle and convert entities. Now go to trim command, trim this portion and this portion. Select this line and make it vertical. Now it is fully defined. Now go to trim entities and trim this portion and this portion. Now go to select here circular pattern. I want 3 number of entities, so select here direction will be this circle, entities will be 3, and entities 2 pattern. Click here clear sections. Now I will select this one and these 2 like this. You can see the preview. Click here OK. Now go to features, select extrude boss base, select these profiles and direction will be opposite. Now what will be the distance? You can see here distance is 10 mm. Enter the value of 10 mm like this. Click here OK like this. Now there is a chamfer of 2 mm 45 degree, so select here features, fillet, expand the fillet and select this one and select here angle distance, and distance will be 2 mm and angle will be 45 degree like this. Click here OK. We have created the chamfer. Now what's left is these circular pattern holes. For that, select this face, normal to, again normal to, and sketch. I may be tilted it, but I will be sketching on above this surface. Now go to circle command. First select here line command and create a center line like this. Now create a circle of dia 80 mm. Select here circle command. Select here circle command and enter the value of 80 mm and make it a construction circle like this. Now select your circle command, snap this point and create a circle of dia 10 mm like this, and create another circle of dia 30 mm here. Select circle command, enter the value of 30 mm like this. Now select here extrude cut. Now expand this and select only this circle. Select here through all. Click here OK. Now select here circular pattern. Go to direction, select this face, entities will be 4 and enter the angle will be 360 degree and features will be this cutout like this. You can see the preview. Click here OK. Now go to this cut pattern and expand this sketch. Select this sketch and make it visible. Now select here extrude cut, select this one which we have created earlier. Now direction will be this and select here up to next like this. Click here, OK. Now we can hide this sketch like this. Sorry, the cut will be in the downward direction also. So edit this cut extrude which I have just created. Select here direction number 2 up to 10 mm in downward direction. Now click here, OK. Now you can see it is up to the base. Now there is a fillet of 2 mm 45 degree in the base. Chamfer, select this edge, enter the value of 2 mm and angle 45 degree. Click here, OK. Now we will create some fillets. First, there is a 5 mm fillet below the flange. Go to fillet, enter the value of 5 mm and select this edge like this. Click here, OK. Now again select your fillet. This time select we want here fillets. Select of 10 mm. Enter the value of 10 mm and select this edge and this one. Click here, OK. Looks like we have created all the features. No, there is one more fillet here. Go to fillet, select here, click here, OK. This will be of 10 mm too. Now I will add some appearances. In this way we can create this part with the help of some basic tools. If you like this video, please leave us a comment and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos.